What to choose, rent or buy heavy construction equipment Part 1. Heavy equipment sales have expanded dramatically worldwide in recent years, as many in the business have remarked. Volvo just claimed a 27% growth in sales in 2018, while Caterpillar recorded a 20% increase in 2018. With all of this expansion, some in the construction and mining industries are wondering if they should cease renting and instead buy. The quick answer is that it is debatable. Every business is unique, so the decision to purchase should be based on the specifics of your company's current financial status as well as your brand's long-term demands and objectives. To aid in the decision-making process, we've produced a list of buying and renting advantages and disadvantages. When is the best time to rent? If you fulfill one or more of the following requirements, renting may be your best option. You don't have enough storage space. Large pieces of heavy machinery can be costly to store because they require a protected, dry space as well as anti-theft security measures. Renting a storage unit if you don't have access to one may be a more cost-effective solution. You don't have enough technicians or delivery drivers. It's vital to remember that the machine's listed price isn't the only cost associated with buying heavy machinery. Buyers must also factor in the expense of employing the appropriate experts and drivers to guarantee that the equipment is properly maintained, repaired, and delivered to and from the job site on time. When you rent, on the other hand, the rental company takes care of any necessary maintenance or repairs as part of the rental price, typically right on the project. Renting heavy equipment may be a preferable option if you don't have the staff or resources to maintain and transport it. You only need the equipment for a short length of time. Renting makes greater financial sense in most cases involving short-term 65% rule buying guide or one-time initiatives. Purchasing should only be done for long-term projects or if the equipment will be used for several jobs. For more information call 469-370-7501 or visit interstateheavyequipment.com.